Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am here in Asdod and the sky now is so blue. I will show it to you. The sky is so blue and all the clouds in the side. And this is me waiting in the bus here in Asdod. No work because of war. I need to work at least 1 or 2 times a week is good. It's okay. Anywhere here. Wow, the car there is blue. It's good for me to take a photo there together with the car because my clothes is blue. Lakad-lakad muna tayo dito habang wala pang tren. Hindi, habang wala pang bus. Bus number secret. Saan ako pupunta na naman? Sayang yung fine tree na tuyo. Sobrang lamig. Di ba? Yung bonggabilya, bonggang-bongga. Bonggang-bongga yung kulay niya. And then, nag-selfie ako. O, di ba? Asul yung kotse ko. Sa isip, sa salita, at sa gawa. Ang lamig ng hangin sa lilim. Kasi marami ditong puno. A lot of oxygen. Bye-bye.